Did you remember when you were 10, your teacher told you try to focus on your studies? When you were 20, your professor told you try to focus on the project. When you were 30, your manager will told you try to focus on the work. If you're a parent, you tell the child try to focus on the studies. But I have a question for you. Did anyone teach you how to focus? Did you teach anybody how to focus? No school, no colleges, no organization ever provide training on how to focus. Today I'm gonna tell you how to focus. Before that, just imagine you are playing piano for 12 hours a day for a month. What happens? After the month, you become really good at playing piano. That is called as law of practice. Law of practice states that the one thing you are really good at is the one thing you practice most of the time. This law of practice answers the reason why we are distracted rather than focused. Let us think, out of 24 hours a day, an average person will sleep 7 to 8 hours. While he is sleeping, his mind never gets distracted by any other thing. It means he is practicing focus for 7 to 8 hours a day. But the remaining 16 hours a day, we are practicing distraction. Do you know how? Whenever your phone rings, you get distracted from the work you are doing. Whenever your notification pop up, you get distracted from the video you are watching. So, if you practice distraction 16 hours a day, what happens? By law of practice, you become really good at distraction rather than focused. If you want to be focused, you have to practice focusing. When we practice focusing, our awareness gets drifted out. It may like when you work on a project, your awareness gets drifted out by the ringing phone. When you're reading a book, your awareness gets drifted off by the unwanted thoughts. The only thing you need to do is bring the awareness back to the point you want to focus. It may like when your awareness gets drifted by unwanted thoughts, bring it back. When your awareness gets drifted by anxiety, bring it back. When your awareness gets drifted by depression, bring it back. When your awareness gets drifted by the ringing phone, bring it back. Do it again and again. By doing this, you are practice focusing. If you practice focusing over a period of time, what happens? By law of practice, you become really good at focusing rather than get distracted. Once you master focusing, your life becomes more easy, you become more efficient, you become smart. Focusing is the first step in success. So don't tell anyone to focus, teach them how to focus. I strongly recommend you to read my article on how to focus. I'll drop the link down in the description. Kindly check it out. Thank you for listening. If you like my video, kindly subscribe to my channel. It will help me to get motivated and you as well. Thank you.